Designing a beautiful kitchen doesn't always require a big renovation budget. With the right approach, minimalist design can help homeowners create a space that is stylish, functional, and affordable at the same time. Minimalism focuses on simplicity, smart planning, and intentional choices, values that naturally support cost-efficient living. Instead of investing in excessive decor or unnecessary upgrades, a budget-friendly minimalist kitchen prioritizes what truly matters: comfort, practicality, and clean visual harmony. Designing with purpose, the heart of budget minimalism. Minimalist design begins with clear priorities. Before buying anything, it helps to think about what the kitchen really needs: more storage, better lighting, improved organization, or simply a cleaner and calmer look. A purposeful mindset prevents impulse purchases and ensures every upgrade has value. In budget-conscious homes, small changes often create the biggest impact. Rearranging layouts, decluttering unused items, or refreshing surfaces can transform the space without major construction. The goal is not to fill the kitchen with new objects, but to make better use of what already exists. This intentional approach keeps costs low while maintaining a clean, modern minimalist character. Decluttering first, the most affordable transformation. One of the most powerful and completely free steps in creating a minimalist kitchen is decluttering. Over time, kitchens tend to accumulate unused tools, old containers, duplicate utensils, and decorative items that no longer serve a purpose. By removing excess objects, countertops instantly appear more spacious, and the room feels calmer. Storage also becomes more efficient because only meaningful and frequently used items remain. Simple habits such as storing appliances when not in use, grouping similar items together, and discarding broken or unused tools support both organization and visual clarity. In many cases, decluttering alone can make a kitchen look refreshed without spending money at all. Affordable storage solutions that maximize space. Minimalism doesn't mean owning fewer things. It means storing them smarter. For budget-friendly kitchens, organization can be improved using accessible, low-cost storage ideas. Open shelving, wall hooks, magnetic knife strips, and undershelf organizers help free up counter space while keeping essentials within reach. Drawer dividers and stackable containers create structure inside cabinets, preventing clutter buildup. Instead of replacing furniture, homeowners can upgrade storage functionally by rearranging layouts, adding extra shelves, or repurposing existing pieces. These small improvements make daily routines easier while maintaining a clean minimalist aesthetic. Low-cost color and surface refreshes. A fresh coat of paint or a simple surface update can dramatically enhance the look of a kitchen without a large expense. Light neutral tones such as white, beige, warm gray, or soft cream help create an airy minimalist atmosphere and make compact spaces feel larger. Cabinet repainting, peel and stick backsplash tiles, or adhesive countertop films provide affordable ways to refresh old finishes. These updates create visual harmony, reduce visual noise, and bring a more modern, cohesive appearance. Minimalist design thrives on calm colors and smooth textures, both achievable even on a modest budget. Choosing simple, functional furniture and accessories. In budget-conscious minimalist kitchens, furniture and accessories should be chosen carefully. Instead of decorative pieces that serve no purpose, the focus is on items that combine aesthetics with function. Slim profile tables, foldable dining sets, or multipurpose kitchen carts offer flexibility without overwhelming the space. A few high-quality essentials such as durable cutting boards, practical storage jars, or a compact dish rack can replace multiple unnecessary objects. Minimalism encourages quality over quantity. Buying fewer but more useful items saves money in the long run while keeping the kitchen visually clutter-free. Lighting, a small upgrade with a big visual impact. Lighting is one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance a minimalist kitchen. Good lighting improves visibility, highlights textures, and makes the room feel warm and welcoming. Affordable upgrades may include LED strip lighting under cabinets, simple pendant lamps above dining areas, or replacing harsh bulbs with softer, warm-tone lighting. Maximizing natural light, such as using sheer curtains or keeping windows unobstructed, also strengthens the open, airy atmosphere associated with minimalist style. With the right lighting, even a modest kitchen can feel modern and refined. Decorating with restraint. Style through simplicity. Minimalist kitchens do not eliminate personality. They simply express it in subtle, intentional ways. Instead of filling surfaces with decorative objects, a few carefully chosen elements can create a warm and stylish mood. A small potted plant, a wooden tray, a ceramic bowl, or a single framed wall piece may be enough to add character. Natural textures such as wood, linen, or stone introduce warmth without disrupting simplicity. This restrained decorating approach keeps costs low while preserving the elegance and clarity of the space. Sustainable and budget-friendly mindset. A smart minimalist kitchen naturally supports sustainable living. Reusing existing furniture, repairing items instead of replacing them, and choosing durable materials reduce waste and expenses. Thrifted or secondhand pieces, such as stools, shelves, or storage baskets, can be refreshed and integrated into the design. Instead of constant upgrades, the space evolves slowly, guided by real needs rather than trends. This approach creates a kitchen that is not only budget-friendly, but also meaningful and personal. A stylish kitchen that proves beauty doesn't require excess. Smart and stylish minimalist kitchen ideas show that comfort, elegance, and affordability can work together. By prioritizing organization, thoughtful upgrades, and purposeful design choices, budget-conscious homes can achieve a kitchen that feels modern, calm, and enjoyable to use. Minimalism reminds us that beauty doesn't always come from abundance. Sometimes, it grows from clarity, intention, and simple, well-considered details.